Vanakkam. Today I am going to teach how to draw elephant. Children in easy method. Children can do it easily using this method. Okay, you see, sir. First, draw outline. Any drawing you are going to start, first you take draw the outline. Outline is very important. Okay, then divide it into 4 equal parts. Then inside we are going to draw the elephant. Elephant, na? Top you have to give little space like this. Bottom you have to give little space like this. See, in between you have to draw the elephant. Okay. That easy method, see, you have to draw like this. One shape. You see the shape? I am drawn like this. Hear this. Then, here, you draw the shape. This is the basic shape for the elephant. Okay. See, first you have to draw the leg here. See, here, draw like this. This for the right hand side leg. Elephant got a right hand side leg here. Then left hand side you have to draw like this. Then in between draw this line. Right. This is right hand side elephant. Okay. Then back side. This is the left hand side leg. Left hand side leg for this elephant. Then in between you have to draw like this. Abdomen. Then right hand side leg like this. You have to draw like this. Then tail. Okay. Then all the legs should be on the line, ground line. Okay. This line. Okay. Then you have to draw the head. Before head, you have to draw the ear. Ear means here you can start like this. Then draw this line. Elephant here. Okay. Then you have to draw like this, shade and everything. Then eye. Then hand. Like this. Then in between you have to draw like this. Horn. Then here neck, head, you can connect it like this. Then you rub the line. Okay. Now, very easy, elephant is over. But elephant background you have to need, no. You have to draw like this. This is the ground line and you have to draw like this. Then bushes, trees. Okay. You draw like this, full background, chorus background, any boosters and everything. See, front portion, you have to draw the boosters like this. Now, easy now. See, if you are using this method, anybody can draw. By practice, 1 or 2 times practice. Okay? Thank you.